So as some of you may know, Alex Hormozi dropped $100 million on Skool. That's not clickbait, that's not hype, that's real money. And the second I saw that, I knew something's happening here. Now, I'd used Skool before, 14-day free trial, didn't even upload a logo, cancelled it, I wasn't ready, or maybe I just didn't get it. But this time I'm here 8 hours a day, sometimes more, many times more, because this Skool, I'm not testing. I'm documenting the whole thing and seeing it through right to the end, step by step. This is my shot. So I've had my Skool for nearly a year. It's past 1,000 members. I've spoken to hundreds of schoolers, DMs, comments, calls, the lot. Not one-day stuff, not if this works. This is real traction, real momentum. 5 years ago, I was an addict. Anxious all the time, using whatever I could just to get through the day. And then I quit cold turkey and started rebuilding my life from scratch. Almost 30 years old, no match. So I turned to YouTube. Nearly 1 million views later, I stuck with it. YouTube gave me a reason to wake up every day, even when life sucks, even when I had no clue where this was going, besides a few crumbs from AdSense. Then I found Kevin Kelly's 1,000 True Fans, and that one idea flipped everything. I realized I don't need to go viral, I need to go deep. And then I saw Hormozi drop £100 million into Skool. No affiliate deal, no promo tour, just raw skin, fully in the game, a co-owner. That hit me hard. This guy doesn't touch anything short-term. He backs infrastructure, systems, legacy plays. And now he's betting on creators like us. That was my green light. If Hormozi backs it, it's either going to make money or launch a new protein brand. Either way, I'm in. So Skool gave me what I've been missing with YouTube. Structure, a simple platform that doesn't get in my way. Momentum, because people actually join. And most importantly, feedback, because you're not shouting into the void anymore. And you're sat on the fence wondering if it's worth it. You don't need an audience to start. People want community more than content. Helping others can be your business. And this platform makes that possible. I built a course, still rolling it out piece by piece, made a mountain of GBT tools to help with the YouTube process, roasted thumbnails, rewritten hooks, dropped feedback that's actually helped. It's not fancy, but it's real and it's mine. So the big question, have I made loads of money yet? No. Not even close. But I've built stuff that helps people, giving it away, showing up daily. And now I'm gearing up to earn, not from hype, from helping. The better I get at helping, the more it makes sense to charge, because I see the path there. It's not easy, but it's mine. And if I keep going, I know where it leads. Now, do I have doubts? Yes, I doubted myself plenty, but not enough to stop. And I know I'll never quit. I won't. I might pivot. I might fail forward. But quit, not a chance. This is my shot. Not in viral numbers, but in traction, in trust, in direction. That's what Skool gave me and can give you too. And I'm going to be here documenting my journey to 10K a month on Skool, not as a guru, but as a builder in the trenches with you. I started with nothing. No logo, no idea. Now I've got momentum because Hormozi made his bet and I made mine. Let's see who's right.